met with smiles and eyes so wide, and walked together side by side. They laughed, they danced, they shared a fruit. Their friendship bloomed, oh how cute. Then came rain with drops so sweet. They jumped in puddles with muddy feet, splashing here and splashing there, having fun without a care. They got all messy, brown and bold, covered in mud from trunk to toe. But joy they found in every way, playing wild through the rainy day. To the stream they slowly went, to wash away the muddy scent. The water cool, the sky so blue. Their smiles were bright and friendship true. They watched the sunset paint the skies with golden hues before their eyes. Then fireflies danced in evening's glow, while stars began to softly show. Now fast asleep in jungle bed, cat on trunk and dreams in head. Best of friends till the morning light, whispering dreams through the silent night.